Hello guys, you're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you two simple tricks you should know as a car owner. So first and foremost, we car owners, we do not know when we actually purchased a wrong brake pad, which will result to us causing damage to our car rim and the brake disc. So number one sign I will tell you, or you should know, when you have a bad brake pad being installed on your car is, first, you notice rough black things on the car. So watch something like this. You can see that I'm scraping out dust. Yeah, this is from the brake pad. So here you have to tell. It's not hidden. Here you can just tell if you have a bad brake pad or you installed a bad brake pad on your car. And this sign is also applied when the brake pad is almost down. Yeah, so when the brake pad is almost down, and the signs will be here, but not that much. But if it's much, that means the brake pad you installed is very bad. That would lead your alloy rim to get blacked and would be damaged. Also, it will cause a damage to the brake disc. Yeah, the brake disc. So as a car owner, you have to know this two simple trick. Once the brake pad is bad, or let's say it's almost down, you would feel something black substance on the rim. Later, then when you have a bad installed brake pad, you will see a black substance all over the alloy rim. So, and thirdly, the worst part of it is when the brake pad is down and you didn't notice early, it will cause a damage to the brake disc, which will result to you hearing a hard noise when you depress the brake pedal. So guys, hope you find this video helpful. If you do well to like and comment your opinion. See you in the next video.